Welcome back to another episode of Road Rage Going Too Far. Without any delay, let's get started. Watch how people love creating drama just to seek attention. Come on, man.
Resilient enough to learn from mistakes. And the whole book is basically about us, and it's encouraging people to have a go and not be frightened of getting it wrong.
Go for it, kids.
Yeah, absolutely.
Before you get technology, you can't do anything. Kid out!
Right, now did you think that
What the are you doing?
21st century issue?
Jesus.
You're wrong.
People don't realize it's not them alone on the road. Control your hands, sir.
F-150, and it's EJY 3932 is the license plate.
Cops on the phone!
Correct. Yes, and he's like screaming at cars right now and trying to cut everybody off. So he literally just, rolled the window down and cussed us out because he's clearly realizing we're on the phone. I'm sorry, it's a dark green. I can't tell if it's a dark green or black, but that's the license number or the license plate number. Isabella.
It was not that necessary to get out of the car. What do you all think?
What? I'll break your jaw. I'll break your jaw.
You'll do it or you'll talk about it.
I'll break your jaw. Scary. What's up? Gerald. What's up? What's up? I'm not touching you. What's up?
You're just talking, dude.
What's up? What's up?
That's all it is.
Sir, just wait and let him go first. Now take your car to the showroom.
How you gonna go? How you gonna go? Huh? What is your wrong? What do you think you're doing? Get out, you Get out. Get out. Don't step in front of me.
Watch what happens when you have a bit more of your energy drink. That's hilarious.
What's wrong with you?
Get in your car, dude.
Get in your car!
I'm in my car. That's fair. That's fair. Can you?
One needs guts to take a gun everywhere. You better run, sir.
Are you stupid? Why don't you learn how to drive, you dumb?
When will people learn to drive in their own lanes? I think never.
Órale, cabrón. Déjate pendejo. Queda la cara, güey. Ay, cabrón. Dale, tallón. Dale, tallón. Dale, dale. Ándele, pendejo. Ándele, pendejo. Ándele, pendejo. Siga jugando.
Another day of two people fighting over nothing. Grow up, people.
Ha? Ikaw? Oh, lumipat ka, di ba? Lumipat ka, di ba?
Ano?
O ano?
Nakasalin.
Ikaw ang wala sa linya. Oh. Oh.
Nagmumotor din ako.
Okay, thank you, pare. Ingat, ingat. Pasensya na, ha?
Have you ever seen people just wasting their lives? If not, just have a look. Feel free to send them a message.
Rómpale todos los vidrios, coño. Cuidado si me choque el carro mío para yo no matarlo ahora.
Para arriba.
Míralo ahí. Míralo ahí. Míralo ahí. Míralo ahí. Míralo ahí. Portada de loco viejo los dos. Míralo ahí.
Sir, look back. You're at the verge of a big loss. The guy decided to wear a helmet and win the fight. Smart enough.
Ven ya, soy papá. Bien, yo.
Oh, you don't start. You start with somebody with helmet up here. You advise us.
Damn, girl got some real energy. Teach me some, ma'am. The calmness of that guy in the car is to be appreciated, guys. Just get back in your car, sir. Did you ever think why people get jailed? Because of this. People love taking over others and then complain when we get into accidents. Watch how your best friend can turn into enemies. Poor guy. Getting out of your car and threatening somebody speaks a lot, dude. Have you ever seen some crazy and illiterate people driving? Just have a look. Drive like a human being or face the consequences. This guy clearly needed to learn a lesson. These are crazy yet hilarious clips of road rage gone wrong. That's it for today. Until next time, take care!